Hello everybody, welcome to another Poverty Hill Adventures video. If any of you have watched any of my videos on my channel, you realize that I am a terrible cook. I'm an absolutely terrible cook. Most of the time I burn things or whatever, and a lot of times I just skip cooking altogether and just make a sandwich. At home, I don't have a problem because my wife is a wonderful cook and cooks some fantastic dishes, and I don't have to worry about it. Here at hunting camp, I've discovered something. Cooking can be fun, especially cooking outdoors in a camp is just a great experience. It's a great experience, and I wanted to share it with everybody and encourage anybody who maybe is a little leery of cooking that to give it a try. Give it a try. You might be surprised. It's fun. So whether it be breakfast on a Coleman stove, burgers on a grill, stew or a chili in a Dutch oven, give it a try. It turned out to be a lot of fun. I'm going to demonstrate for everybody a camp breakfast that anybody can make. If I can do it, anybody can make it. We're going to have eggs, hash browns, little breakfast sausage links, and pancakes. We're going to have a breakfast fit for a king. We're going to cook it up, and I'm going to show everybody how to do it. First thing you're going to need is a camp kitchen. You're going to need a few items here. You're going to need a frying pan, a flipper thing here, a spoon would be handy, and a little spreader thing might be handy also. You're going to need some sort of container that you can put a little bit of water in. And I'm real anxious to try this out. This is a brand new griddle that I got. It's not necessary, but it's going to be fun trying that out. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fire up the Coleman stove. Stove here is converted to use a propane tank. However, you could use a traditional white gas stove. I've been using butter to cook in. I suppose you could use something else. We're going to put a little butter in there and mix it around a little bit. If you can, if you got your stove level, it's going to cook better, but it's not necessary. This one's a little lopsided. See if I can get something to stick underneath it. That's a little better. I shimmed it up a little bit so it's a little more level. Now we're going to start with cooking the sausage and the hash browns. These little breakfast sausage are real simple to cook. Just toss them in there, and then the hash browns here, I buy them in the grocery store. They're already chopped up, and they come in a bag, and they're all frozen. They're real easy to do. We're going to put those in there. And we're just going to kind of let that cook for a little bit. The pancake mix. This one here comes in a little bag. It's a buckwheat pancake mix. And what we're going to do here is we're going to put a little of that in this cup. Now we're going to add some water. And this is where originally I was making a mistake. I wasn't making it watery enough. So we're going to add a little water, and then we're going to stir it up. Probably would help if you had a larger container, but this is the one I got, so this is the one we're going to use. And we're just going to kind of mix that up a little bit. Just a little more water in there. Kind of like mixing cement. We moved over the sausage and potatoes. Got them kind of simmering over there. Now we're gonna cook up them pancakes, and we got to get a little butter on here again so they don't burn. I got my new griddle here, which I'm anxious to try out. See how that works. Now we're going to let that kind of melt a little bit on there. I suppose that's good enough. Now we're going to take our pancake batter, and we're gonna kind of just, we didn't have it mixed all the way. Well, we'll see how it works out here. I guess I should have mixed it a little better, but well, let's see how it works. Maybe I can put a little water on there. No, that ain't gonna work. Anyhow, well, let's see how it does. I think we have a small problem here. This propane cylinder is running out, so let me change that quick, and then we'll get back to cooking. The pancake is almost finished. I'm just going to give it a little extra on there. We've got our sausage and potatoes all ready to go. Just keeping them warm over on that side. And then the last item that we got to cook is a couple of eggs, and then we'll be ready to eat. Getting hungry? Just about done. And to top it all off, we're gonna put a little Dino's Bone Creek maple syrup, and maybe we'll put a little of that on the sausage too. I hope everybody got enough to eat. Until next time, everybody, take care. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep on trucking.